Good day mga kabaks! Ngayon naman, babiyahe tayo sa Nusa Penida. Ang Nusa Penida, isang island yan dito sa Bali. At marami tayo nakikitang magagandang photos sa Instagram regarding sa place na ito. And this time, i-check natin personally what is expectation versus reality. And it's crazy down here today. There are too many foreigners flying around and waiting to visit Nusa Penida. It's 8 a.m. We left the hotel at 7 a.m. So it's 1 hour drive to the harbor. And we're gonna wait for our boat to go to Nusa Penida. Ayla, she's still sleeping. After getting our ticket, let's go and board the boat. From Bali Port to Nusa Penida Island ay mga 35 minutes din ang biyahe. Yes, lahat ng nakikita nyo ngayon, lahat yan papunta din doon sa parehong island. For this trip guys, balikan lang ang ginawa naming arrangement. At pagdating namin sa Nusa Penida Port, meron nang nag-aabang sa amin na sasakyan and tour guide. At pagdating ng hapon ay babalik rin kami ng Bali. Finally, we're inside the boat. It's not air conditioned. I think it's air conditioned, but it's only the fan is working. Depending on your preference, pwede rin kayo mag-stay ng island ng few days para hindi masyadong hectic, but for us, dahil naghahabol kami ng oras, isang araw lang kami dito. And I just wanted to mention na siguro ang challenging part lang kung meron kayong malalaking bagahe kasi napakadaming tourist na kasama nyo sa iisang boat. At kailangan nyo ring i-check-in ang luggage na dala ninyo. After 35 minutes, welcome to Nusa Penida. We landed in the port and we're gonna walk towards that side. Later we're gonna come back. Linaw ng tubig dito. Mas maganda dito, mas malinis. Ayan, kitang-kita yung ocean floor. Oh, sarap tumalon. Pagdating sa port, dito na kami sinalubong ng aming guide. And after few formalities, diretso na kami agad sa aming unang destination is the Broken Angel and Billabong Beach. Actually, my expectation here is sasakay ka ng bangka dahil nga island tour. But it's actually a tour within different parts of the island using land vehicles. Mostly guys, sunod-sunod kayo rito dahil sa sobrang dami ng tourists. It's like a parade of cars going to different parts of the island. Normally for a day tour, you will go to 5 different places and the distance between them is at least 30 minutes. So yeah, we're going to Broken Angels, Billabong Beach. On several occasions, there are roads na hindi pa sementado, kaya there is some sort of off-roading experience. After 40 minutes, here we are in our first destination. Medyo malayo ang ating lalakarin. Wow. In spots like this, you have to pay if you want to take a photo. It's like 15 minutes trek din para makarating dito sa site na ito. Dami tourists. Broken Beach. Yeah. So ang tawag daw dito is Broken Beach. This is so that's expectation versus reality. Guys, siksikan dito, ang init pa. Tapos ang daming nagpapa-picture, so waiting time. Grabe, tagagtakang pawis. And then we are moving to the next site. So, yeah, sabi ni Lucas, it's so boring daw. So guys, in this location, hindi pwedeng mag-swimming. It's purely sightseeing. Safety first. Huwag masyado sa gilid kasi ayan, sigurado laglag ka dun sa bangin. When you come here sa lugar na to, parang pilgrimage. Ang daming tao. Ay, grabe. At dahil tourist destination siya, meron din mga tinda sa mga gilid-gilid. If you want to take a photo in a good spot, then you have to wait and queue. We don't have time for that guys, so we move to another destination. Sabi ko nga, there are instances na kailangan yung mag-off-road, but using a regular car, not an off-road type of vehicle. And in my opinion, if you want to do this, it's better to be in the car rather than using a motorcycle because it's safer at talaga namang napakainit sa island na ito. The entrance payment in all parks are included in our package. In fairness guys, this part of the island is breathtaking. Small monkey there, oh. And welcome guys to Clinking Beach. Unfortunately, these are for your eyes only and I believe hindi yata pwedeng mag-swimming sa baba. Dahil lunchtime na, quick lunch muna tayo before moving to the next spot. Kasama na rin pala ito sa package but don't expect too much kasi chicken lang ito at rice. Moving on, next destination is Crystal Bay. Let's see if you can swim. And in this location, pinayagan kami mag-swimming ng 1 oras. However, there's a catch. These beach umbrellas are not free and you need to rent it separately. But in fairness, compared to the beach in Bali Central, ay napakalinis ng beach na ito at talaga namang nakakainggan yung mag-swimming. Syempre dahil nandito na tayo ay hindi natin palalagpasin yan. And another tip guys, for island tour like this, kailangan nyo magbaon ng ekstrang damit. To be honest, ito yung part ng tour na nag-enjoy kaming lahat, even the kids. That's our Nusa Pineta Island tour. I think ang nagustuhan lang ng mga kids ay ang swimming. It's already afternoon and we're going back to our hotel. And for tomorrow, I don't know what's gonna happen. But that's it for today, guys. After the tour, hinatid na kami ng guide namin sa port. From here, we will be taking a boat para bumalik sa mainland. So basically, that's how we spend our day in the island, and the highlight for us is the swimming part. So if you like this video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on our next destination. Ano pa nga ba ang magandang gawin after a long hot day? E di mag-relax at magpamasahe. After the relaxing massage, nakita ko tong street food na to and I decided to try. Tikman natin yung binili kong street food kanina. First, yung soup. Manamis-namis siya tapos medyo manghang. Para siyang close to Paris sa atin. Fishball ata yun. Tapos may gulay na and noodles. Ito. Sarap. Hindi ako nagkamali ng pagbili. Tapos 30,000 Indonesian rupee lang siya. But that's it for today guys. See you next time.